Hey there everybody, it's Lynnea. I'm going to show you how to create 4 quick and easy Halloween cards. These are great for last minute cards, and I'm going to be using the new release from Simon Hurley, Create. I'm starting out here with a piece of stark white cardstock. I'm going to be blending some Simon Hurley Create dye inks over the Ghosted Stencil, and I have found that the stark white cardstock is the absolute best white cardstock for almost all mediums. Pretty much everything except for watercolor, I reach for this cardstock. So I positioned the Ghosted Stencil over a trimmed down piece of that cardstock. It measures 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And I'm just going to blend on some Simon Hurley Create dye ink. This color is Overzealous. It's my favorite, bright, kind of almost like a limey green color. And when I peel back the stencil, just look at all of those green ghosts. I think they're just adorable. So I went on and I did 3 additional colors. I also used Crown Me, that's this pretty purple color. And then I did Traffic Cone, which is a bright orange. And the color that I didn't intend to do, but when I cut down my full-size piece of stark white cardstock, I had 4 card fronts. So I was like, why not? Why not try it? But I did the Ghosted Stencil in Wolf ink. That's that kind of a warm gray color there, second from the left. And it ended up being one of my favorite backgrounds. So this is the Ghosted Stencil. Obviously these are little ghosts, and I thought how cute would they look with little eyes. So I'm just using a black pen and I'm going to dot in some eyes. The bigger ghosts will get bigger eyes. The smaller ghosts will just get little pinpoint eyes. But as I was doing this, I thought how cute it would be to do googly eyes too. I didn't have any in my craft room, but I think that these would be so cute with some of those tiny little mini Google eyes. They even have like little stickers. I thought that would be super, super cute. So I went ahead and did all 4 backgrounds with those little eyes. Didn't take any time at all. This whole set of 4 cards from start to finish probably took me about 15 to 20 minutes, which isn't bad for 4 cards. And by the time I'm done, I'm going to have easy, almost 1 layer cards. I decided to stamp and white heat emboss that Happy Halloween sentiment onto black cardstock and pop that up with foam just to have a little dimension. And then I added those kind of silvery mirror enamel dots. And that finishes this quick and easy last minute Halloween card set. Thanks for joining me, you guys. I'll see you soon. Bye. Thank you again very much for watching this video. If you liked this video and you'd like to see more from me, please hit that subscribe button that is on the screen now. And here are a few other videos that I thought you might enjoy.